This is how Uber robs us. Right now, I was on my way to pick up a passenger. It was nice. It was a back-to-back ride. I dropped off the last lady for $28. She gave me a $5 cash tip. This person was paying $23. It was going to put me close to LAX. I call these combo rides, right? But the Uber navigation was off. I couldn't figure out which way to go. And the lady was like, wait, I'm going to give you cash. I'm going to give you a tip. Really nice Hispanic lady, older lady. Her English was awesome. She gave me cash. I took it. I took my notes. I took about a minute or two to get moving. And as I was going, the navigation was off. I had to make a U-turn. Then there was tree work being done I had to avoid. Then there was a road closure. But literally right when I was a block away from the customer, they canceled. Now, in the past, I would get angry. In the past, I would get pissed. But not anymore. This is where I've realized when people cancel on you, it's because an idiot was about to come in the car, and the universe basically just saved us because their rating was kind of low, 4.8. The distance where I was supposed to take them was nice, but I don't know. Now I don't complain anymore. But my problem is this: why is Uber not paying the driver? That's stealing our money, right? I didn't do anything wrong. I served. I got in the car. I went. Your navigation was off. There was road construction. So fine, there was a 5-minute delay in the pickup. But why is the driver being penalized? That's not cool, Uber. And this is why we're going to keep blogging about it. We're going to keep podcasting about it. But here's the good news. $102 in 4 trips. And it's a Wednesday. That means 2/3 of our money is good. 1/3 is left. Which 1/3 is left? I want to get to $150. I still have around 6 hours to drive. Around 1:45, it's a little complicated where I'm at. I think Encino is a good spot. I don't think it makes sense to move from here, because if I got this passenger, I might be able to get another one, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my preferences like comfort, connect, as well. No, we're going to leave. Yeah, I guess we're going to turn Uber X on too, just to see what's going on. Hey, people got pets out here. Who knows? We're going to turn all of these on. Give the algorithm a little bit of time, and let's see if it lines me up with somebody. If not, let me hide my face and figure out where I'm gonna go next, because this was a good fare. I always like to check the airport, right? It's not too far away. 4 flights are coming in, but full 11 out of 15. That's not good, and we already know that's slow. And according to this, it's showing 8 flights at 2 o'clock. That's not bad, but I think it's going to be an hour wait. Yeah, so Burbank is out of the question. Okay, now let's look at LAX. Earlier it was showing a fake surge. LAX at 2 o'clock, 52 flights. That's not bad. 59 flights at 3. Okay, it's going to build up. So I think most likely I'm going to go towards LAX. But I'm going to give Uber a little bit of time in Encino to give me a ride. Maybe 5-10 minutes. But by 2 o'clock, I'm out of here. Definitely check Long Beach. Long Beach, look at that. 1 out of 5 down here on Uber XL. That's very good. This is good, right? So Long Beach is definitely good. My goal is, I think, to go to LAX and then end up in Long Beach. Let's go ahead and put that in. Let's see how long it's going to take me to get there. Is there traffic? Okay, not too bad. 35 minutes, 21 miles. That means it's going to cost me around $5-6 to relocate. But I'll tell you what, this is a hot spot, and I should be able to get a passenger over here, right? It's 1:46. I'll go give Uber 15 minutes. I'll take a break. I'm thinking about getting a little something to eat, and then I'll keep you guys posted. Every video of every passenger that I've gotten, I've shown you, except for the last cancellation. The last cancellation I couldn't show you because it was a back-to-back ride, and it's the end of the location where I dropped off the last passenger. And you know, we want to keep passengers' privacy private. And this is the first opportunity. So tempting. 9 minutes for $3.76. No, I'm just kidding. I'm in the background updating my notes from the last passenger right here. The lady that I ended up dropping and gave me a $5 cash tip because I got a back-to-back ride with the cancellation and I wasn't able to update her notes. And the second opportunity. Good. We're moving up. We doubled from $3 to $6 roughly, which is awesome. And oh my God, somebody beat me to it. Damn it. I was so interested in that. Hey, Uber, you got 9 more minutes before I move. 9 minutes, Uber. In the background, I have a group over here, which is for rideXserve, and I'm literally talking to people and keeping in touch with them and responding. While we're waiting for Uber, we're always hustling, we're always working. We don't waste any time. Okay, so it is 2 o'clock. Now I'm gonna leave. Uber had plenty of opportunity to give me a ride. They chose not to. And we're gonna slowly move, maybe 5-10 minutes, then take another break. And most likely, just keep heading towards LAX nice and slow. There's a good chance I might pull out at Westwood and check, or go by Santa Monica and check a little bit. That's basically where we're at. Time to get gas in the car because my tank is halfway, and it's nice to break it up a little bit and a different way of recording. See, normally you would press this and record, but I'm not. I'm recording my screen, so it's just a different look, you know. And the beard's getting a little fuzzy because it was raining today. All right, 2 gallons of gas costs $1 more because we're in Encino. I'm trying to see. Yeah, I'm just gonna take Ventura. It's telling me to go on the freeway, but I want to go nice and slow. And this Spolveda somewhere here that we can take to cut across. And no bites. It's 2:11 in the afternoon, and it's been around 25-30 minutes. I've gotten a chance to take a break, go over my notes, relax, and now it's time to drive, find a passenger. We still got $50 to go. And a 4.67 for $5 when Uber realized I am back on the road and about to leave Encino. And guess what? Someone's gonna take this right now. And it ain't gonna be me. Not me, my friend, not me. We're gonna keep going down the street nice and slow. And in the background, it's time to meditate. Hey, I already said no, little punk. The first time I said no, it means no. I'm not confused about $5, and neither is anybody else that drives Uber. Okay, on the left, I'm watching all the videos that I uploaded. Right now, I'm gonna take another break because my headset is running out of battery and it needs to be charged, and that means I cannot record I can't record good audio. So I'm gonna tell you where I'm parking and why I'm parking here. Hopefully nobody kicks me out of here. It's some sort of office building. Just trying to double check, make sure. Yeah, customer parking only. Yep, I'm your customer, guys. I'm your Uber driver. I'm the most important customer you're ever gonna have in your life. All right, there's no CEO, there's no Lyft CEO here, there's no Uber CEO here. It doesn't say Dara up here. I don't even know what the Lyft guy's name is, but it doesn't matter. They're all scumbags. All right, my friends, I'm gonna take a break, and when I take a break, we turn the app off. This is just another trick that I have. It just lets the algorithm know that I'm not here, no one's available, and it messes everything up for the algorithm, right? I'm gonna charge this headset so we can record good audio. I need about 15 minutes, which means this video that you see on the left-hand side, and let me show you all the videos that I've posted today, right? Because I wanna show you what we're gonna do. Let me hide my face, look. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, whatever. There's like 10 or 12 videos I posted up into the blue that don't have thumbnails. I'm gonna go ahead, thumbnail them, and then I'm gonna add some details in the title, change it up a little bit, make it look good, and get caught up. Otherwise, you know, it's kind of hard. I won't be able to do it later on today. And it allows the app to build up a little bit and possibly give me a ride, and especially I get to charge my cell phone. Deuces, fellas.